Hi, I'm Product Manager at Ergonode, and today I'd like to show you how to use filters on your product catalog. So you want to find a particular product that you'd like to work on. In this case, that will be gold dress in size medium. On the left side, you've got the list of the product attributes, system attributes, and categories. Those can work as filters as well. So back to our example, gold dress in size medium. Okay, so I can find the product by its SKU. If you know the SKU, you can just paste it here in this column and the system will search it for you. What to do if you do not remember the SKU? You can try to use filters. Let's start with the product template. I've got the product template called dress, so I go ahead and search for that template. To do that, I'll go to the system attributes and find the template. I'll drag it and drop it onto the product catalog. I can choose the template, dress, so I'll see only products that are assigned to this particular template. Another parameter I wanted to check is color, so I'm looking for this attribute in Product Attribute tab. I can also place it onto the product catalog and generate a column, or I can create an advanced filter out of it, just like that. I search for color, gold, and here you can see all the products that have the template dress and color gold. Now I need to find the size, medium. I can again add a column to the product catalog, like that. Or I can add it to the advanced filter, as we can have multiple attributes in it. I search for size medium and found it. Here's the product that I was looking for. Now I can continue enriching it. This is how you can use filters on product catalog.
And done! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels to check out more videos about Ergonode. Cheers!